Hi future homeowners, welcome back again to our YouTube channel here at Virtual House Tour. And yung pinagmamalaki natin, yung roads nyo, sobrang laki. How many meters ba yung mga natin dito, roads, sir?
Yes, to begin with the road po, the question is, why is Hamana? So first, the location. Hamana Homes po is actually located along the highway. Yung po yung Mabalacat-Magalang Road.
Okay.
Second, we have two main gate, two spine road po, na kami pa lang po yata dito sa Pampanga na mayroong two spine road. And then third, our pinakamaliit na road wide is 8 meters po. Compared to other projects, other developer po, they have 6 to 6.5 meters. So napaka-generous ni Hamana na binigyan tayo ng 42% open space. Pero nasa batas po natin, at least 30% po ang open space.
And also, the unit owners can also enjoy yung amenities, di ba? So, what are the amenities Hamana has to offer sa atin, sir?
Yes, actually, bago sa amenity, main amenities natin, we have the lush garden, the linear park, and sa sa main amenities natin, we have the clubhouse po na 2-story siya, and then swimming pool, of course, and we have the multipurpose court po. Why multipurpose court? Yung mga naunang client po natin na coming from US, they suggested na bakit walang lawn tennis, bakit walang volleyball court. That's why kinonvert namin yung basketball court dati na gawing multipurpose court.